Good morning, children. Today's our topic is rhyming words. But which rhyming words today we will do? Today we will do E sound, three letter words, ED sound and EG sound. Okay. See this. Now here I made one diary for you. ED. E says a, D says d. A, d, a, d. Okay, what is the meaning of rhyming word? Rhyming word means same ending words. So now we will see which are the same ending words with ed sound. So first we will open, what is this? T, t, a, d, tad, t, ad, tad. Now we will open next page. What is this? It is L, L, A, D, L, ad, led, L, ad, led. Now next page. B, B says b, b, ad, bed, b, ad, bed. Next is R, R says r, r, ed, red, red color. Understood? So the ending word was same, ed, but with this ed we made many words like red, bed, led, tad. Understood? Now we will take another eg sound. So children, this is eg sound. E says a, G says g, a, g, egg. Now we will see which words are there with the same ending sound, egg. L, E, G. L says L, A, G, leg. What is that? Leg, L, egg, leg. Now the next word, which is that? B, egg, bag. B says b, b, egg, bag. Now turn your page. Next is P, E, G. P says p, 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 egg, p, egg, peg. Again p, a, g, peg. Now next which word? K says k, 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 a, g, k, a, g, keg. What is that? Keg. Understood? So read again. Now read fast. L-E-G, leg. B-E-G, beg. P-E-G, peg. K-E-G, keg. Understood? So children, now we will do more explanation of ED sound words with web chart. So, which is the first letter? Which is the first word? B, E, D. It means b-a-d, bed. What is bed? See here. In which you are sleeping. Okay, this is bed. Now the next word is r-a-d. See. both ed sound. It means r and d, red. Both are rhyming words. Bed, red. What is red? Red is color. See, here I have red pen, then red color spoon. It is red. Next word is fed. Fed. What is fed? Fed is the past tense of the feed. Feed means khilaya, and fed is the past tense of the feed. Feed means khaya and fed means khilaya. Now the next is met. Is this the right? Is this the same rhyming word? Ed sound? No. Why? Because it is et. The last word is et. Ending sound is different. Here we are writing ed sound. Okay. So this is wrong. Now I will write one more words. That is tad. Tad. What is tad? I have here. This is tad. 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 Next I will write set. Set. Is this right? No. Why? Because here the ending sound is et. So it is also wrong. So which are the ed sound? Bed, red, fed, tad. Okay. So these are the ed sound words. Now next we will do eg sound. So children, now we will do eg sound. 3-letter words. E says a, G says g, egg, egg. Okay, so which are the eg sound? Let's see. Leg, leg. What is leg? See here. This is leg. Okay. Now the next word is keg. Keg. What is keg? See here. I draw here for you one keg. It is, you can store a water or keep more something inside. Okay. Now next is, which word is there? I also forgot. ten, right? Is this okay? No. Why? Because it is en sound. So we are writing eg sound. So it is wrong. Now the next is egg. See, look here, children. We are writing eg sound, and here egg. G comes 2 times. When the one letter comes 2 times, we will consider only one letter. So we will say egg. Okay, the sound is egg, egg. What is egg? See this. This is egg. The next is, which word will come? B E G. Egg. What is beg? Beg means that you beg someone to help you and something for. Example, please help me in this. Or you beg him to do something for you. Please take with me. Okay. This is beg. Now, one more word, that is P E G. Peg. What is peg? See this. Here I have peg. This is peg. Egg. Peg. So children, here we completed our EG sound 3-letter words. Again, read with me one more time EG sound. LEG leg, PEG peg, KEG keg, EGG egg, BEG bag. One more time, fast. Leg, peg, keg, egg, bag. Understood? You like it? Take care. Bye.